and telecommunication company, which is started in the year 1995 in New Delhi. So Airtel is the second largest mobile operator in the India and also in the world. The founder and the chairman is Sunil Bharti Mittal, and the Gopal Mittal was the CEO of the company. So the first country where 5G was operated is Hyderabad, and in India there are around 42,000 towers of 5G network. So next slide I will tell you about the role of the stakeholders. So first role is the managing organization. So the stakeholders are the senior members of the organization, just as board of directors, executive, senior managers, which helps to organize the role of company. So second is the making decisions. Business stakeholders make decisions which are help to grow the company. And third is the driving the growth. The primary role of the stakeholder is to define the business goal and develop the plan which help to achieve their goals. And the fourth is supporting the business. So their stakeholders help the company to make support so they remain profitable and successful.
Types of stakeholders. Internal stakeholders. Internal stakeholders are employees or individuals that are the part of the company internal operation, and these individuals feel a direct impact on decision making and changes in the company. And other type are external stakeholders. External stakeholders are individual or employees who are not a part of company internal operation and does not involve in the company decision making and changes. The internal stakeholders are investors or shareholders. The investor or shareholders are who invest in the company, and the other one are owners. Owners are the founder of the company and mostly help in the decision making. And other are board of directors. These are making the strategies of the company and help in decision making. And the managers who are responsible for the quality of the employees and good performance.
Hello everyone, I am Kushadra Pandey and I am going to tell you about external stakeholders. There are mainly four types of external stakeholders: customers, creditors, suppliers and government. Of course, individual customer doesn't impact the direct influence on a company's decision, although good exceptions exist. Creditors only want the stable income and do not care about the company's decisions. Suppliers. Today's world is global and no company is in completely closed loop. Each company's profits depend on other businesses. They all provide goods or services to each other. Government is the external stakeholder interested in company's growth, cause more the profits, more the taxes. Stakeholders versus shareholders. The term stakeholder and shareholder are often used interchangeably but have distinct meanings in the business world. Stakeholders are individuals or groups that have an interest in a company's success or failure. This broad category includes employees, customers, suppliers, communities, the environment and competitors. Shareholders are a specific type of stakeholder. They are individuals or institutions who have shares of a company. Their primary interest lies in the company's financial performance, particularly the stock price and the ROI, return on investment. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. I am Arav Jain, and now let's discuss about the financial performance of the Bharti Airtel. According to the year 2002-2004, the sales of the company in this year is around 3,75,000 million INR. Revenue in this year is